Hi Fiona, somebody else came to visit today. Do you want to see him? Are you ready? Okay, look who's here.
Hi Fiona, how are you? I want to make a special funny sound for you and see if you can do it.
We're gonna make it together. Ready?
Ready?
You make a noise? Good job!
That was good.
You made a good noise. Hey, we love you. We'll see you later.
It's tired. I gotta go to bed now. Night night.
Night night.